Yeah. Yeah. What do you think, Jamie? They love the water, though.
Okay.
Alrighty. So, there's one person that knows the next one. Really horrible conditions. So they confiscated.
How fast
I
you
thought
are.
they had 6. That they were supposed to be 6. And when they got, animal control got there, they only had 3, and they went back, and the people had responded to the other 3. They always have twins, and sometimes more. One of the twins did not make it. They were estimated to be 26 years old. But this is what a life of breeding. Tara, I've got her locked in because we don't want her to go out in the rain because she's too fragile.
Yeah.
But when it's a nice day, we open it up. She can go outside, but she typically chooses not to. We
Completely respect.
and even on warm days, she has the access. She just chooses not to take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nifer is missing a leg.
Oh, God.
But most of these guys are pretty old. Totally into the lawn and everything.
Had Captain Gray,
Hi, Chicky.
Paul, Senegal, Bluehead Conyers.
Yeah, chicken.
No,
Are you a chicken?
I'm down to one.
Oh, I told you I was going to play you a song when we got here, didn't I?
Yeah,
You were going to put on the Disney
Yeah.
thing. Carrie, have you heard this? You guys want to see them feed the baby? Well,
Sure,
feed
yeah.
the baby, then we can come back and...
We're coming back.
She was also loose in Kentucky. And well, this one wasn't loose, but was in Kentucky. And this one was running loose with a harness on her. Skin and bones. She just got here about a week ago. And she was so scared. Issues. Probably none. So anyway, the ADA does not recognize monkeys. They only recognize dogs and miniature horses. I can't figure that out. They did not let him go. He was at the dorm. And they asked the kids, why did you get a monkey? They said, well, we're going to put him in our hip-hop video.
Yeah.
So stardom was not for Chucky. All right. I know.
You know.
Uh-oh. There you go.
Yeah, Tito. You're too busy threatening. Jackie, I know you're a jerk.
Fully prehensile tail. Because these tails are prehensile, they can grab things with them. You have some of that
You got
blocky
5 legs there. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
stuff.
Hence the-
And a thumb on their foot, but not on their hands.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, they live in the tops of the trees and
Would you
the
like the
highest
phone?
part of the forest. And they said that they don't.
You
have
got pretty
thumbs, but
long
they
arms.
can
You might
get
reach
away.
out and grab it.
Uh-huh.
Easy, locked in. Recommend.
Watch out.
We're gonna have a minute, but I've got a nice little snack.
Yeah.
He's mad.
What's his story? Bushy was found running loose on the ice.
Fiber.
Yep. My boy. You can see how the Bolivians are more robust. They're large. No. You finding some more poppers?
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay.
What you go?
Yeah, they go see the.
Play.
She doesn't know what she wants. She'll be playing, and then she'll threaten, and then she'll play, and But these two play so well together. They're different species too. And but they get along. I've got video playing, wrestling,
And they love spiders.
yeah, they love these spiders. Okay, Dexter, we see you too. And Harley's on insulin. He's diabetic. Yeah, a lot of lots of monkeys. And I don't do any of the all that yet, but macaques play, what you see, and scary things. It can really. It's really hard to. And then there's a few sanctuaries. There's several in Texas, primate sanctuaries. Not enough.
No,
Need more.
no, I mean, you do your intake of it geographic.
Are you talking to me? Yeah.
But I was worried about horses. So I wanted to be where there's the most land.
There you are.
What you doing?
Your hiney. You're showing your hiney. There he goes. Hiney. You're showing your hiney. He's doing little. Yeah, I know.
Not gonna.
Yes, I know. They taking good care of you?
You're such a sweet boy.
Yeah.
Tell us.
I know. Yeah. You in love with me, aren't you? Yeah.
Whatever goes through their mind, you can see it in their face.
Are you drooling?
They don't make great poker players.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, they probably don't understand
Yeah,
that.
is it? Oh, I fold.
My baby.
Yeah, but
My baby. Yeah.
That's how I feel.
I see. Hi, Missy. Missy, what you doing? Oh yeah. But she self-harms.
Really?
Hi.
I was
Yeah.
watching her